Every woman is different, unique in her own emotions, experiences, and desires. But there's one truth that cuts across every boundary. The heart of a woman cannot be unlocked by force, but by understanding. You've probably heard phrases like, be confident, or make her laugh. And yes, those things matter, but they're only the surface. If you truly want to unlock a woman's heart, you need to go deeper. Let's break into numbers. Number 1. Make her feel safe, emotionally. A woman's heart doesn't open where she feels judged, ignored, or misunderstood. It opens where she feels safe, emotionally safe. That means listening without trying to fix her, understanding without interrupting, accepting her emotions, even when they don't make sense to you. If she cries, don't rush to stop her tears. Let her feel. Let her breathe. Let her be. Number 2. Pay attention to the little things. You don't need to buy diamonds to make a woman feel valued. Sometimes, it's noticing how she takes her coffee, or remembering the story she told you last week. It's the "I saw this and thought of you" text. Women fall for the details, because when you notice the small things, she feels seen, and feeling seen is rare in today's world. Number 3. Speak in her love language. Some women love compliments. Some feel loved when you hold their hand. Others want your time, your attention, your small acts of service. Learn her love language and speak it fluently. Because when you love her in her language, not yours, her heart responds. Number 4. Be authentically you. Don't try to be who you think she wants. Be you, genuinely, confidently. Women are intuitive. They sense when someone's wearing a mask. Show her your quirks, your real thoughts, your silly side. Authenticity is attractive, because when you're real, you give her permission to be real too. Number 5. Don't rush the process. A flower doesn't bloom by force. It opens when the time is right, with patience, with presence. Don't chase her like a prize. Don't rush her into liking you. Make her feel like you value her beyond what she can give you. Because when she feels that, her heart will open naturally. Remember this: a woman doesn't fall for how you look. She falls for how you make her feel. If you make her feel safe, seen, and valued, she will open up to you in ways even she didn't expect. One bonus tip: the real key is emotional connection. You want the real key? It's emotional connection. It's when your energy makes her feel calm, when your presence brings peace, when your silence still says, "I'm here," when she feels she can be vulnerable and you won't break her trust. So no, there's no magic line, no secret move, just a genuine heart, a listening ear, and a consistent soul. Because the real key to unlocking a woman's heart is being the kind of man who deserves it.